Hey, you already know what time it is. It is what? It is the month of April. What happens in April? You already know. A queen was born. Okay, come on, somebody. And y'all know how we do it. We celebrate all month long. Okay, so it's gonna be on and popping. We are here in Myrtle Beach. We got here last night or whatever. We actually stayed at the Holiday Inn Express. Phenomenal. Fun, great. They had breakfast this morning or whatever. Normally I don't do the hotel breakfast, but they actually had a full spread of good breakfast. They had link sausages, patty sausages. I think they had turkey sausage, grits, and I didn't do the eggs or whatever. Um, what is it? Potatoes, hash browns or whatever. All different kinds of pastries, bagels, juice, you name it. So if you're in the area, definitely give them a holler. I got to link the address down at the bottom or what have you, but we've had a fantabulous time. So today we're gonna just get into some things. Y'all know I love the thrift, so I'm gonna go check out some thrift stores, get us something good to eat or whatever. There is a food rodeo that's located here in Myrtle Beach, so we're gonna actually stop and see what that's all about or what have you. But I gotta get me some crab legs. Okay, that's gonna be on my list. I'm trying to decide which is the best. Is it Captain George's, which I've done several times and they don't disappoint, but I've heard about the original Benjamin's Calabash and I just want to see if it's worth all the hype. So stay tuned, y'all. We're gonna see what everything's all about or whatever. We're just gonna take a tour through South Carolina. All right. What a great view. Y'all see those boats behind here? Now, there was a steep hill behind us. I almost turned into Jill. You know, Jack and Jill went down the hill. Yeah, that one. But nevertheless, I did not fall. Thank the Lord. But we actually, there's a nice restaurant on the side called Clark's. But you didn't get a chance to check that out or whatever. But it was a nice restaurant as well. But guess what? We made it to our place. Look at there. Look at there. We have arrived at the food truck rodeo. We have arrived at the food truck rodeo, and I am highly anticipating y'all some good food. So you do not fail me. We are at the food truck and music festival. Yes. It's time now to get in line. Hey peeps, look at my people. Hey y'all. So, yeah, we met some great people as well, but it's time to get in line so that we can go ahead and check on our tickets. Look at me, being last minute, y'all. Y'all know how I do. Look at there. I was trying to decide whether or not I wanted to go ahead and order the tickets online or if I should just go ahead and pay cash. They had two different lines. The line for the ticket was a lot shorter, and then there was a line, of course, where people had already pre-ordered or what have you. It didn't matter. I went ahead and got in the line and just paid my money. They took it real fast, okay? So, we're going to go ahead and get to the front of the line because y'all know how we do. Favor ain't fair. Let's go ahead and come to the front of that line. Help me $10. If they don't buy nothing to eat, they pay to get in. Yes, I was in my zone, y'all. Look at all of these food trucks and food tents. Oh my goodness. This is the foodie heaven. So seriously, this is where it's at. All those aromas was hitting my nose. We hadn't even been in there that long. We done found somebody. Hey, Jimmy's! Look good there, y'all. This is the spot. We had to stop the Jimmy's. The prices were amazing. Y'all see where they have the combo of any two? Well, you know what I did. I had to get the combo of 3. So I got the shrimp, chicken, and the steak. Yes, I did. Okay? Let me get all of that. There it is. Look at there. Look at yonder. Come on. Y'all see it? Look at that chicken. Marinated. Steak cooked to perfection. Shrimp. There go that sauce. There it is. Baby. Oh my God. y'all see it. jimmyshibachi.com. I'm not sure where they're out of, but I can tell you this. They really had some great food, and it was fast. We didn't have to stand in line that long. They had a long line, but we didn't have to stay there that long at all. Look at the classic. Come on. Kind of reminded me of Sanford and Son truck, but yeah, that was where it was at. Now, it's time to go. And so let's see what else we get into. Y'all look. Just keep looking. Just keep looking. Sea Soul Melody. Lemonade. Korean style hot dog. You know, I had to ask somebody, and they was telling me just, you know, that was amazing. That's something they came back, because this was actually like a 3-day event. So they said they had came on Friday. So I had to come and check it out as well. I didn't know what I was ordering. You hear me say? Yeah. All right, Golden K-Dog. I heard these was really good, so let's see. Look at that cheese pull. That is good. Very good. That cheese pull is crazy. All right, so that's another win for us, guys. Once again, that was the Korean hot dog, corn dog, basically. Now it's time for the pork chops. Come on here. You know I could not come out here without getting no soul food now. What? And they had the hot sauce. What we doing? What we doing? Let's taste it. Let's see. Let's see what we're working with. Come on. Come on. Let's get in it. Let's get in this. Come on. Okay, now this pork chop, I gotta be honest, okay? I know that there was a reason why they had like a lot of seasoning out there. I'm not sure why they didn't choose to put any on the pork chop, but nevertheless, okay, yeah, I got it. Some pork skin. I got the sour green apple. Yes, I got the sour green apple. Oh. What a refreshing lemonade. Now here we are. Just took a little walk on the beach, a little detour for a moment. All right, guys. Now, if you guys like this video, definitely go ahead, like and subscribe on this current video. But stay tuned. Make sure you ring that bell at the bottom of this video. All right, guys. Y'all know it's not over till it's over. We are headed to Flavor Hills on the next episode, as well as the Calabash. So please stay tuned.
Peace.